Hello, this is Masan. Today we're discussing about control strategies of chopper circuit. Control strategies of chopper circuit. So, how it is controlled? Okay, the control strategies are there is two control strategies of chopper circuit. One is time ratio control, and second is current limit control. One is time ratio control. Second one is current limit control. So there are two kinds of control strategies using DC choppers, namely one is time ratio control and second current limit control. So here by using these two control strategies, the average value of output voltage also change, either increasing or decreasing. So what is meant by time ratio control? So here time ratio control means alpha is equal to what I'm saying. Alpha is also called as a duty cycle, duty ratio. That is the ratio of T on and T. It is also called as a duty ratio. So depends upon that ratio, we have to control that output voltage of chopper, either step up or step down. Okay, clear? So these two control strategies are used in a chopper device. So here the first time ratio control. Time ratio control means time ratio, the ratio of T on and T. It is also called as a duty cycle. So how it is, either T on is varied, either T is varied. So not two simultaneous. That means within time T on and T will not be varied. So once T on is varied, T is constant, and second time T is varied, T on is also constant. Like the two cases, we should control the output voltage of chopper also. So depends upon that. There are two ways to achieve the time ratio control. That is first variable frequency, second constant frequency. In case of variable frequency, in case of variable frequency means T time period is inversely proportional to the frequency. Frequency is equal to 1 by T. Suppose frequency change, automatically T also change. So what is alpha? Alpha also changes. Automatically the output voltage also changes. Suppose if you take in step down chopper, output voltage formula is V0 is equal to alpha into Vs. Clear? And step up chopper V0 is equal to V into 1 by 1 minus alpha. In two cases depends only alpha. So by taking different values of alpha, automatically the output voltage will also controls. So how to control the output voltage of chopper? By using control strategies. One is time ratio control and second is current limit control. Clear? So in this concept we discuss first time ratio control. So in this time ratio control, alpha is equal to T1 by T. So in this formula there is two parameters. One is T1 parameter, second is T parameter. So by varying T, it is also called as a frequency, variable frequency. So by maintaining constant T, by maintaining constant frequency, it is also called as a constant frequency operation. So let us discuss first constant frequency. Constant frequency is T is constant, but T1 is varied. Clear? Constant frequency control strategy operations. The on time, that is T1 is changed, but the frequency is also constant. So frequency constant means T is frequency constant, T also fixed. So it is also the another name of constant frequency is also called as a pulse width modulation control. Pulse width modulations. So hence the output volts can be varied by varying on the T on period. So let us see the waveform. So in this waveform, let us see first waveform. So where T on is equal to something, T of not maintain constant, but these time period will maintain a constant frequency. This T is maintain a constant, but Tn and Tf is not constant. And second waveform, T is constant. Whatever T is considered in the first waveform, the same T is considered second waveform also, but Tn and Tf not maintain a constant. So these type of control strategies are connected is applied to that step up or step down choppers. Automatically the output voltage is also controlled. So that's why it is also called as a pulse width. The width of pulse also varied. Here the pulse width is less compared to here only. So that's why it is also, the name indicates, it is also pulse width modulations. Constant frequency, another name is also called as a pulse width modulation. Constant frequency means the T maintain a constant, T on is varied. T maintain a constant, T on is varied. It is also called as a constant frequency. It is also called as a constant, sorry, constant frequency. It is also called as a pulse width modulations. Let us take second, variable frequency. Variable frequency means T is varied, T on maintain a constant. Okay, frequency is a varied. It is also name, another name of this frequency, variable frequency operation is also called as a frequency modulations. Okay, once T is varied, automatically alpha also varied. So once alpha is also varied, what is the output voltage step up or step down? Automatically varied. So see the first waveform. So T is something 2 seconds, and second waveform T is also less than 2 seconds. So automatically T is varied in two cases. So in first case T is something. So what about T on? So whatever T on is considered in first case, the same T on is considered in second case also. See that in first case, whatever turn on period is considered, the same turn on period is considered second case also, but total time period will be not constant. So it is operation of variable frequency operation of the chopper circuit. Clear? And time ratio, current limit control means in step down chopper circuit we are getting some waveforms like this. I naught is equal to I minimum and I maximum, and I maximum to the I minimum, like that we are getting waveforms something. So these two control strategies, that is time restrict controller and current limit controller. So by applying these two control strategies, we should control the output voltage of um, chopper circuits. Clear? The duty cycle ratio control, the frequency change will be varied. As such, there is possibility with system by positive frequency like telephone lines signaling. So these are the some disadvantages, that is in case of frequency modulations. Okay, so in this frequency modulation, so maximum the control strategies we consider as a pulse width modulations. So in case of pulse width modulations, we should maintain a constant frequency by varying T on only. So by using this only, we should control the output voltage. So it is current limit control. So in a DC, in current limit control, let us take waveform. See what I'm saying. It is the output voltage waveform. It is output current waveform. During turn on period, we are getting output current changes from I minimum to I maximum. During turn off period, the output current changes from I maximum to the I minimum. So during these states, we are getting some T, and we are getting T on. The ratio of these two are getting alpha. So by taking the alpha, we calculate output voltage of step up and step down. So either it is step up means output voltage more than input, either it is step down output voltage less than the supply voltage. So like that we are getting as output voltage. So by using these two control strategies, the output voltage will be controls. The control strategies, what are those? Time restrict control, and second one is current limit control. It is the current limit control strategies. Okay. So these are the two control strategies are used in a chopper circuit. It's very important. Thank you.